Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make stuffed green bell peppers. This dish is a very popular homemade dish in Japan. I like the difference in texture between the crunchy bell pepper and the juicy meat. Rich and a little bit sour flavor of sauce is also amazing. Before making, please let me introduce the famous place for bell peppers. This place is Ibaraki Prefecture. Do you know Ibaraki Prefecture? Ibaraki Prefecture is in Kanto region. And in Kanto region, there is a huge Kanto plain. The population of Kanto region is also huge. Therefore, agriculture is thriving there. We receive great benefits from Kanto plain and people. And then, Ibaraki Prefecture is here. Actually, there are so many things what I tell you about Ibaraki, but today I'll talk two things. First, here is Kamisu City. Kamisu City is the largest producer of bell peppers in Japan. Thanks for farmers, we can eat bell peppers through the year. Second, this is Lake Kasumigaura. Lake Kasumigaura is the second biggest lake in Japan. This place is famous for lotus roots. Thank you for listening. Let's make stuffed green bell peppers. First, I'm going to cut the onion into small dices. I chop it finely. Nice, I'm going to stir fry it. Turn on the heat and add salad oil. Once the pan is heated, I add the onion. Then I season it with a pinch of salt and stir fry it until the onion becomes transparent. I stir it occasionally. Good, like this. I transfer it to a tray and let it cool. Next, I'm going to make filling. I use 300 grams of ground beef and pork, 30 grams of milk, 10 grams of breadcrumb, 3 grams of salt, 1 egg, and black pepper. Finally, the onion that I've cooked just now. That's all. First of all, I add milk to breadcrumb. This will prevent the patties from separating. Okay, let's mix them by my hand. I mix it until it becomes sticky. Once it mixes well, I add salt and black pepper. And I distribute them to the patties. The look turned pink color to a bit white, and it becomes sticky. Okay, then I add breadcrumbs soaked with milk and egg. Finally, onion which has cooled down. It's very important because if the onion is hot, the fat of the meat melts out. Good, I mix them well and distribute the ingredient to the meat as well. Okay, I keep it in the fridge. Next, I'm going to prepare green bell peppers. Today, I use 8 bell peppers, and these are medium size. I cut a bell pepper into half vertically, and I remove the seed and sponge part like this. Okay, and get rid of the top as well. I usually cut bell peppers vertically when I make stuffed bell peppers. Because I cook it with only pan, I don't use an oven. So I can cook the meat more quickly than the bell peppers which are cut horizontally. And I remove the seed easily as well. I've done all of them. Then I add potato starch to the inside of them. I do it with a brush carefully. Potato starch acts as a glue. If I skip it, the patties may fall from bell peppers. Good, like this. Then I stuff patties into the bell peppers. As you know, when meat is heated, it shrinks. So I recommend to stuff the patties as much as possible. Okay? I cover the surface of it with the patties completely. Good. Okay, I've stuffed the patties to all bell peppers. Before cooking them, I'm going to make sauce. First, I add 45 grams of ketchup to the pan. and 45 grams of soy sauce, and 15 grams of sake, 15 grams of mirin, 15 grams of rice vinegar. Finally, 7 grams of sugar. I'm going to heat them. And I start it. Once it begins to boil, turn off the heat and set it aside. Let's cook bell peppers stuffed with patties. I place it with facing down. I can place all of them, so I cook them after that as well. Good? Okay, I cook them for 5 minutes over medium-low heat. Occasionally, I put pressure on them to brown beautifully and to attach patties to bell peppers. I heat them gradually to cook the inside perfectly. 5 minutes later, it became a little bit firm, but the bell peppers are still raw. The level of fire is medium-low as well. I keep heating 1 minute more. I'll check whether it's browned or not. Not yet. Oh, this one is good. Okay, I turn over them. Nice. I cook bell peppers for a while. A few minutes later, I turn over them again to cook the meat side well. Okay, beautiful. Once I remove them from the pan, and I cook remaining bell peppers as well. I cook them in the same way. When they've cooked, I return them to the pan. Good. Okay, then I pour the sauce to them. The smell is amazing. I distribute the sauce to them. The patty sides absorb the sauce well. Great. Looks so delicious. Perfect. I'm going to arrange them on a plate. I like arranging them on a big plate and eating them quickly with sticky rice. Yes, stuffed green bell peppers are done. Please try it. Thank you. Did you enjoy? This stuffed green bell pepper is my favorite recipe. I hope you make and enjoy it. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.